Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up. And then from here, we're going to go to your apps, and then your settings. It might take a minute just to open up. Once you're in here though, and we eventually get the Bluetooth options open, there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone before you can add a new phone. Alright, so phone and Bluetooth. So here we're gonna delete device to make room. So here you can see there's these, so we'll just delete this one. Sorry, and then hit OK. Alright, so we just deleted one, so we've made room for a new one. So we'll go back, and then from here we'll do connect new device, and then from your phone make sure your Bluetooth is on, and then often if you press and hold the Bluetooth symbol, it'll pull up a pairing menu. So we'll pair new, and it says we're looking for my Titan, which is already up. Sometimes it takes a few tries. You can sync up your contacts, messages, things like that if you want to make it easier. And it's got these random numbers it generated which do match. So we'll pair, and it says we're connected. So now that that's connected, we can listen to music, take phone calls. Especially in newer models, you can sync up maps and navigation as well. And then it prompts in again if you want to connect messages. This makes it a little easier for you if you want. And then to get to your music, you can click through these aux buttons. If there's not an aux, maybe try like a media button. But when you're under the Bluetooth audio, you should be able to play your music. And if it's still not working for you, double check you're playing from your phone, that the volume's on your phone, and that the volume's also on your radio. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.